Hello and welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to filter all the new sales emails on your generic account, as well as how to get a notification on Slack and add the contacts on the HubSpot CRM at the same time. Let's start. First step is the flow creation. Choose a name. Then, select a trigger that will start the flow. In this case, you can use a webhook. Click Save and proceed. Great! Now we're on to the workflow dashboard. On the left, we have all the various applications and software. Right below, the additional operations. We'll use some of these in our flow in a while. In the center, we have our workspace. Next to the trigger, we'll insert apps and functionalities to design the entire flow. Now, let's see how to gather and then filter incoming emails. To do this, we'll need a Gmail node. The List Unread Emails one will allow our flow to download the complete list of unread emails. There's no need for any other configuration. We can proceed to the next node straight away. Now, let's add an iterator. The purpose of the iterator is to repeat the following actions for every email we receive, not just for the last one on the list. We need to set it up and specify the list of emails it has to work on. Don't worry, it's gonna be quick. Now we want to collect the content of each email. What we need is the email content node. But first, we need to change the value of the email row to insert value, so as to enter the automatic value email ID, which we'll take from the previous node section. Let's save this step as well. Now we have a flow that downloads the full list of emails and all of their related content. But we also need to add a filter if we want to catch only the sales-related emails. Hence, let's get a condition node. In the rules section, we'll have to set that the subject must contain the keywords demo sales. Add another rule too, to widen the condition. With the second rule, the body text too will be scanned to search for the keyword demo sales. Again, save and head back to the flow. The filter is now active. But our goal is to receive a notification on Slack whenever a demo is requested by a potential customer. Click Send a Message to post a message on a channel. Here, we have a message I had written previously, and an existing Slack channel where to receive the notification. Awesome! But that's not enough. We also want to add all the people that requested a demo to our sales database, for future reference. Suppose we want to use HubSpot. We only have to set which customer's information is saved on its page on HubSpot. First name and email are usually mandatory, so let's put them in. Save this node too. Wow! The flow's ready. That didn't take long, did it? Save it on the menu and publish it. Let's try it out. Time to send a test email in the background. We'll just need to click on Run and to check if all works fine. I should receive a notification on my Slack channel anytime now. Yeah! As you can see, the flow works. From now on, all emails including the word demo sales will be notified on Slack. I hope you enjoyed this video. Come and visit me on ClaudioConnect.com to find documentation, video tutorials, and flow suggestions. See you soon!